Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And today discuss here some important point is discuss here and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay. And guys, this is a this is a 3D product is designed here, and this product is very important. And also this is a 2D drafting is available here, and all point is this is a thread is available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is easily you can see here. And guys, use this 2D drafting and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. One by one is learn here and design this body is created here easily. Okay, and this is a product is a design and how to this body is designed, and this is a looking very nice looking here, and all thread is looking here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is, and this is use a connecting any connecting body, and this is a very useful, and this is a use a beginner strength is very important practice here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a plane is this is a front plane, and front plane is created here, and okay, this is a perfect. At first drawing this is a circle is drawing here, and this is circle is a 110, and this length is 510. Okay, this circle is draw here, and this diameter is a 110, and this is a length is a extrude boss, and 510 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. And some setting is important. Going to option property, and image quality is very high, and okay, this is a perfect. And next point is a this is a cutout, and cutout is this is diameter is 82, and 82 is hole. Okay, and at first this face is selected and sketch and normal, and drawing a circle circle is this, and 82 dia is cut out. Okay, and and extrude cut is this is a perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. And again select this face, sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and this diameter is a 145.31. okay, and this length is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 145.3. okay, and again select this, and okay, this is a convert entities. Okay, and this select convert entities, select this and click OK, and extrude. Okay, extrude boss and this distance is a 80 millimeter, and this is a direction is inside, and this is a 80 millimeter, and direction is inside. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And select this face again and sketch normal and draw a circle, and the circle is this, and this is the diameter is 98. Okay, 98. Okay, and this circle is a okay, and this is a 98. Okay, and 98 is a this is a this cutout, and okay, 90 is very less, 120 is okay, 120 is better, but this is a missing point. And sketch and drawing a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 60 millimeter, because this is a 60 millimeter and this is a 120, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect looking here, and select a this is a 70 is okay, this 70 is better, this is a perfect. And again select this plane, and plane is a select this, okay, select this to this middle, and click OK, and some mirror is this, and use this is a extrude cut, this is a okay, and this is a correct, and extrude cut is also, and click OK, this is a perfect. Hide. Okay, and all point is correct. Okay, all point is correct. And next is use this thread. This length is 62 millimeter, and pitch is 3 millimeter, and M27 offset is 5 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a use a real thread, and guys, two thread is very important, and this is a real thread, and second is cosmetic thread, and this is a real thread. Okay, and use this M27 multiplied 3, okay, metric tape, because this inside is metric tape is correct. This length is 62 millimeter. Okay, and select this. Okay, and all point is correct, and click offset is 5 millimeter, and direction is upward. Okay, and this length is 62 plus 5, okay, 67. Okay, this is a perfect, because 5 millimeter is upward, then 5 millimeter is add here. Okay, all is perfect, metric to tape. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and this perfect looking here, and correct, and this thread is use, and color is this is a some black color is looking very nice. And next is a same, use a real thread, and select this, okay, and same point is 67 metric tape, size M27 multiply 3, Okay, all is correct. Okay, and this is a direction is, this is a right hand and this is a left hand, because two important point is this is a left hand because correct, and first is right hand, then second is left hand. Okay, and offset is a 5 millimeter, is direction is upward, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and all point is correct, and this thread is used here and some black color is used, and this is a perfect. Okay, and some, okay, material is nickel, nickel is polished nickel. Okay, polished nickel is also better, and this bronze, bronze is also okay, bronze is a okay, chromium and aluminum, this is a copper and bronze. This is a brush, brush is also, this is a brush, bronze not the correct, this is a bronze, this is a brush, brush is a perfect. Okay, and okay, and correct, and this isometric view. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design, and this body is design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view this also geometry is you can see here easily, and to discuss here one by one all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here and all okay, isometric view is also available here. And this is a all, this is a use a cell command is this cut here, and this okay, this is a very nice looking here, and all point is correct. Okay, okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is a very important, and this use a going to system option and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, okay, and this use at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter. and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use a some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is design. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important. And and this is a draw a bigger circle, bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is a this center to this distance between a 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter, and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is a use a equal. Okay, but this point is a connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use a some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already selected here, 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click both circle is press a control button is this both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter. and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a, this is a 17 millimeter and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a user. Okay, okay, and next is a, this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance center, this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit, and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body, click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and this play line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also, this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a, this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter, and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use. Okay, this is a very important point is this use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane, and okay, a top plane is select and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter. This is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better, and construction line. Okay, and this line is extra is delete here. Okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction, and this is use a very important, and draw a circle. this circle is drawing here, and again draw this two circle. Okay, and all two circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this line is also tangent. Connect to this and also connect to this, and this line is a okay, this line is delete here and connect to this to this. Okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this is a tangent. Okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent. Okay, and all press a control button and all line is selected and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle. Okay, and select a 3 line is also equal. Okay, and next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter. This cutout is a 72 millimeter. Okay, 106 millimeter is this is a use a this to this. Okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter. 130 millimeter is perfect. And this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter and 72 millimeter and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter, and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72. Okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, all is fully defined because this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is correct. But some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this. Okay, this is a delete here, and also this is a delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect. Click OK, and extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and perfect and correct. And next is use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter, and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect. And one point is missing here. This is use a fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter, and this is a 56 millimeter. 68 millimeter is okay. And some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch. A line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is a, this is a use a this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this okay. And some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is a this is a 54 millimeter. Okay. And two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point, drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay. And exit, and again select this face, sketch, and drawing a this, and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept post base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same, drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select a this, and also connect, select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to okay, this line to this. Okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this. Okay. Okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter. Okay. Okay, but this use a inward, but use a this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect. Okay, and some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, 98 okay, not connect here because this is a use a not a okay. Okay, undo, and some line is a this is a use a okay. This line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a okay. This is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here. Delete here. This line is also delete here, but this line is drag here this, and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and also and fillet is used. Okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter. Okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more. Okay, 36. Okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this two. This line is not delete here, and use this, and this center is a okay. Okay, this is use this. Okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect. Okay, this also delete. Okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a okay, this is okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some okay, this is perfect, and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this, and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy, is both is this, and select a line and draw a this. Okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a okay, press a tab and this line is a connect to this and use a this. Okay, because and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very important. And exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a okay. This is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this select here, and use a first second both is a and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide because this board is looking perfect. And also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But combine use a insert and feature. I'm going to combine and also use this and select this to all is added here and click OK. All body can OK added here and click OK. Unable to create. Okay, this is not perfect. And use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1 and chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this and also use this 1 by 1 because this is not use a multiple. Click OK and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this. Okay, and okay, this use this edge. Okay, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this both face is select here and OK. Okay, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK. And also this face is select here and use this face, click OK. And this face and this face is OK. And last is a remaining, click this face. Okay, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a OK. Okay, all is perfect looking here. And okay, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect. And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, Welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a beautiful this product is very nice looking here, and this product is a exhaust manifold with threads. This is a exhaust manifold design and with threads is also available here. And okay, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and 2D drafting is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all detail is mentioned here one by one, and all dimension in millimeter. And pipe fillet, this is a fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and threads details is also available here. This length is 92 millimeter, pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is M72, and offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, today discuss here all point is discussed here one by one, and this is a all detail is mentioned here. And this is a final product is a this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this product is a this is a looking very nice. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a so nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. All is this is a this is a hole is also size is correct, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is designed to discuss here one by one, all point is learn here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is discussed here. This is a plain white is correct, and this is a going to document property, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because this all geometry is looking perfect and correct. Okay, at first drawing this body, and this body is this pattern is used here. This pattern is length is a this two center point distance between 120 millimeter, and this is a 4 pattern, and one is drawing here. This is a this center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this angle is very nice and very useful. And this a small circle is diameter is 17 millimeter, and big circle is radius is 16 millimeter, and this cutout is all cutout is 72 millimeter, and this big circle is radius 52 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and okay, this is a and this is a use a front plane, and some reference line is drawing here, and reference line is drawing this. Okay, and again this center line is drawing here this, and two line is very important, and select this line and this center point and use a coincident. Okay, again select this line and use a center point and use this is a midpoint, and this is a very nice. Okay, and again a smart dimension is used here, and this angle is a 38 degree is very important. Okay, this is a perfect. And drawing a two circle, big circle is this, and two circle is small circle, and this drawing to this, and this circle is this. Okay, and select press a control button and select both and use a relation is equal. Okay, select this and use a line and connect to this, and again select a line and use this to this. Okay, and again select a line, and this to this connect here, and all connection is a all is a tangent. Tangent is very important, because this is a not tangent here, and then use a this use a tangent, but select this point to this point is use tangent, and again select this both is select tangent, and also this use a tangent. This already is tangent here, and all is perfect. And mention dimension, this is a and this center, this distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this radius is 52, means diameter is a 104 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. 104 millimeter, and this is a use a this is use a this delete here, and also this is use a 32 millimeter. And this distance between two center is use 136 millimeter is perfect. All is a fully defined, because this is a perfect. And some trim command is used here, and some extra portion is trimmed, because this unused unwanted. This is not used here, and this also trimmed, and this also trimmed. This is a correct. And use extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this thickness is 16 millimeter. This use a blind, and use a thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect. And this face use here, and use a normal, and use a big circle drawing here, and both side is a use this to this use here this, and both select this to this and use a equal, and this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this diameter is a 17 millimeter is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is very important, and use a cutout. This is a perfect. But all is this is a use a one body is clear design, but use a pattern, and this is use a 4. Pattern is 4, and this body is 4. And select this face, sketch normal, and use a reference line, and reference line is very important, because this use a pattern, and this line is a horizontal. This is a perfect. And exit, and use a linear pattern, because this line is a horizontal, and use a this, and this distance is a 120 millimeter. Because this to center distance is a between two center distance between 120 millimeter is perfect. And this use pattern is used here a 4 pattern, and this distance is 120 millimeter, pattern is 4, and use a bodies, and click this body, and direction is a reverse direction, and use a this, and click OK. And this line is a hide, and isometric view. This is a perfect. And next is use here, and next is a this, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a pattern also use here, and this circle is big, diameter is a 130 millimeter, and this center to distance is a 160 millimeter is drawing here. And one point is very important. This point is a 178 millimeter. This is a direction is upward. This is a downward direction. This is a perfect. and use a top plane, and a plane is created here, and this distance is 178 millimeter, and direction is flip side downward, and click OK. Okay, and this is a, and also this plane sketch normal, and at first drawing a line, a center line is drawing here, and this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again select a center line and select a midpoint and use a this to this. Okay, and this plane is hide because all is looking perfect, and this circle is drawing here this point. Okay, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is diameter is 130 millimeter. Okay, this is delete here, and use a, this is a 130 millimeter, and this distance is a, this to this point, a distance is a 160 millimeter. Okay, and this is a very nice 160 millimeter is perfect, 160 millimeter and 130 millimeter, and this thickness is a, okay, this thickness is a 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 17 millimeter. Okay, and both is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a blind, and use a 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and also this sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and use a 72 millimeter is cut out is perfect, and use a extrude cut, use a through all, and click OK, and again select this sketch normal, and drawing a center line, and this center line is very important because some use a pattern, and again select a, click, draw a circle, and circle diameter is a 14 millimeter, and this distance to this is a, use a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and also this is perfect because this is a pattern, use a 14 millimeter, and this 52 millimeter is correct. Okay, this use of 52 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use extrude cut is a through all, and click OK, and use a pattern is select a circular pattern, and select this. Okay, click here, and this is a this edge, and also select this, and use this pattern, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct, and next use a 3 line is drawing here, a 3D line is drawing here, and this pipe is connected to this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing here, and select, click a line is a, this is a, okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a drawing here this, also click here, and select this center to drawing here, not a middle. Okay, this is a perfect, and click press a tab, and use this vertical line is perfect. Vertical line is correct, and also click a line and connect to this line to this, and this use a very nice looking here. Okay, and some geometry is okay, this is length is 114 millimeter, 114 millimeter, and this length is 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this length is a 114 millimeter and this length is use a 54 millimeter is correct, but this line is a not center and connect to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a and some use a fillet is a this use a pipe fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and use a fillet is a 98 millimeter, and use a this and also 68 millimeter, and use a this, and both fillet is used here and perfect. Okay, and exit this path is drawing here, and again select this face sketch, and this profile is also this, select this edge and use a convert entities and click OK. Both is profile and path is drawing here easily. Okay, use a swept boss and profile is automatic, select here and click a path. Okay, this is a perfect pipe is this preview is showing here and click OK. This is a perfect, and okay, and again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and drawing a line, and line is a this, and select this circle, and this circle is a okay, this circle is a this center point, and use a tab, and this is use this perpendicular line. Okay, this is not mentioned here, and this line is delete here. This line is a vertical line, and select this, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, this line is a this line is a vertical line. Okay, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a okay, this vertical line is this. Okay, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and perfect. Okay, this is okay, perfect, and use this. Okay, this is use this length is 114 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 54 millimeter is perfect, and okay, and this point is a this drag here and connect to this center, and this center is perfect. Okay, and this is a drag here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and also use a fillet is 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is drawing here easily, and also exit and click this face sketch, and this use a convert entities, and this profile is also drawing here and click OK, and use a swept boss, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing here, and select this path. Okay, path and this profile is both is click here and click OK, and this body is drawing here, and then next two is this body is copy here easily. Okay, and also 3D sketch is drawing here. Okay, and select a okay, this is a this circle is okay, drawing a center line, and center line is this circle is a okay, this is a correct, and this is a vertical line, okay, and use also horizontal line and correct, okay. Okay, not better, but this line is delete here. This line is a use, again select a center line and connect, and this to this, and not use here, and press a tab, and tab button is a okay, this use a okay, okay, this line is a use a curve, but curve is not mentioned here. Use a line is a okay, okay, this use a tab, okay, this is a perfect line, okay, this line is a correct, but select a exit and use a this plane is created here, and this plane is use this line and click this line and click okay. This plane is create here easily, and use a mirror is this, and automatic this plane is select here, and use this line, and swept boss base is to first is, and again select is a this, both is select here, and this preview is showing here, click okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a correct, and both is hide because this body is looking perfect, okay, and cell command is use here, and cell is one thickness is 1 millimeter, and select this, and all is 1 by 1 is select here, and this to this, and click okay. Okay, all is a this is a hollow, and okay, all is looking perfect, and okay, and next is use here okay, this is a perfect, and this use this length is 96 millimeter is, and this diameter is 80, and select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, okay, center point is select here, and this circle is drawing here, and align a dimension, this dimension is a 80 millimeter, okay, and use a extrude boss is a thickness is a 96 millimeter, okay, and use a thin feature, and thin feature is a direction is a okay, reverse, this is a inward direction, and this is a looking perfect, and click okay. Okay, and this use a 96 millimeter, okay, and use a fillet is this, use a 1 millimeter is perfect, and use a this 1 millimeter, and click okay, and again select a okay, but this not mention here of this fillet is delete here because okay, this is delete here, and select here a fillet is used here 1 millimeter, and select this face and also this, and click okay. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and next is use a thread is used here, this is a 92 millimeter, and this offset is 6 millimeter, and okay, this use a pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is 72 millimeter, okay, and use a thread is this use a select this, okay, offset is used here 6 millimeter, direction is outward, this is a perfect, and this 92 millimeter, and use a metric to die, and this M72 multiply 6 means size is M72 size, and this 6 millimeter is pitch. And also this cut thread is also perfect, and right handed cut thread is perfect. All is looking perfect, and click OK. Okay. This active process is some little late. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this thread is used here, and some black color is mentioned here because this is a perfect. Okay, and material is apply here, and material is this, use a nickel, and nickel is a this. And okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And some, and okay, this is a some use a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter, and one by one in use a chamfer. Chamfer is a, this is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use a this, and click OK. And again select this chamfer is used here, and select this, click OK. And okay, this is a perfect. And again select a chamfer is this, and this is a multi is not used here, one by one is perfect. And select this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect. And also fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this select this and select this both side and click OK. Okay, and also fillet is used here, and click this face and click this. Okay, okay, and again select a fillet this face and use this face and click OK. And last this, click this face, and this face is also this. This is a correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and isometric is also better, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this front view is also better. Okay, okay, and use this. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, thank you.